Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks for joining us today and don't forget to subscribe. Today we're going to be drawing Cleveland Browns running back Nick Chubb, drafted in 2018 as a second round pick to the Browns, played for University of Georgia, the Bulldogs, and is now a Pro Bowler in the NFL. So let's get started. Find the center of your paper here, the center of your paper across. We're going to do Nick Chubb's head in cartoon format in this area. So get your dark marker. It can be a gray, dark charcoal gray, or a black, and we will start right here. So the jawline is going to be right here for Nick Chubb. So let's start here, go down to a point, go up at an angle, and curve out. All right, we'll do a couple of ears, ovals on the side, kind of pop this round side of the head out. He's got kind of this round head, so we're going to go up to the top, come down slowly, and connect. And if it's not perfect, that's okay. We're going to do hair. Nick Chubb has a big, wide, muscly neck, so we'll go wide up, come down from the ear, straight down, come down from that ear, straight down, and we'll go down to a V, to a point, and up to the neck. Okay? Nick Chubb's head, we'll do some shoulder pads. 1, 2, and bring it down to the waist, up, curve up. Okay, there's the jersey. We'll do some legs. 1, and up to the hip. 2. Okay. Down, down for the socks. Down, down for the socks, and curve to connect. Let's do these big cleats, these big shoes. We'll do the tongue of each shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. And then the big clown shoe comes straight across, stop at the ankle, and connect to the ankle. Bring this ankle down, stop, come straight across, and up to the shoelace. Okay, now let's do a football right here. Not a lot of room, but that's okay. Down, football shape, connect to the point. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers. We'll do the thumb up top. Curve into the football. Curve into the football as if he's holding the football. It's our cartoon, so we're just having fun with this. In his hand, let's do curve. Curve, he's got big muscly arms. His hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up, bump, and in. Okay. All right, we got the outline of Nick Chubb. Let's do some eyes up here. Some sideways ovals for our cartoon eyes on each side of the head. Do a circle on the inside of those eyes. Those are the highlights. Those will stay white. Smaller circle, smaller circle. We'll do a little curve, arch. Let's color that area in just so you can see it. The highlights of the eyes stay white to add life to our cartoon. And we'll do this side over here just so you can see. Color the eyes in our dark marker. Now, what I like to do just for fun is get a baby blue marker color and color this area in baby blue, simply to add a little color to the face. And to me, it represents the reflection of the stadium lights. So let's get our dark marker again. And we are going to draw a nose down. So the width of the eye is where the nose goes, okay? And Nick Chubb's got this mustache. I'm going to do some squiggly lines. His lips kind of follow that mustache, or the mustache follows the lips, I should say. Okay. So I do this down, up, down shape. He's got some dimples over here. He's got a nice goatee going on the bottom of his chin. Kind of drops down below that chin and gets dark up here. Thicken up that chin area to represent his beard. Alrighty. 1, 2 arches for the eyebrows. Come up, and meet down to that point. Color those in. Alrighty, now let's draw the hair. Goes up. See how that works? Straight down, over, and down to the ear. Color that in. And we'll color this in a little bit better with our fast forward, but I just wanted to outline it for you to show Nick Chubb here. And we are going to get let's do the number really quick. We're gonna get this kind of dark brown color for the jersey. We'll do the number 24. So I'm gonna go over, up, over, down, draw the 2. There's 2 curves to connect. Alright, let's do the 4. Come down at an angle, over, up, and connect. Okay. Now over here we have these stripes on the sleeves. We're going to bring these angles down, and I'm going to put that down for a minute and get the orange for the browns. Let's get a bright orange. Make sure we're doing this right here. Alright, we're going to get a bright orange color, and we're going to do some stripes. Okay? So orange on the bottom, and there's a white stripe, orange in the middle, white stripe, maybe orange on top. How's that? Okay, so orange on the bottom on this side, space for the white stripe, orange in the middle, space for that white stripe. Okay, and we are doing the pants. They're going to be white, so we're going to be doing this orange stripe on the side. Leave a gap for the black. Okay, and then down here we'll do striped socks. So we'll color those in. We'll do a little bit of Orange for the shoes. And that about does it. So here we go. We basically have it blocked in. We're gonna do this dark brown color jersey, leave the pants white, leave the shoes white, flesh color, and then we'll have Nick Chubb complete. Thanks for joining us. Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're gonna fast forward now. Please subscribe. Let us know who you'd like to see next. And here we go, fast forward.